We have this gift called life. Sounds cliché, I know, right? But just think about it. The universe is so huge and beautiful. We have all these beautiful places, billions of people and different nationalities, different looks and opinions, so many opportunities, so many different professions, activities and choices to be made. But we are not always look at it this way, not everyone. Sometimes we only see negative, we see what we are lacking, we don't believe we can do whatever we want. We can achieve so much, and yet we put ourselves in a box being afraid of other people's opinions, judgment. We are afraid of failure so much that we don't allow ourselves to try. We've been told in school to be afraid of making mistakes, to avoid them. There is a saying, if you try, you have two options. It will work or it won't. If you don't try, you have only one option. This thing that you really want will never happen. Period. Imagine when you'll be 70 years old. What will you think about your life? Take a pen and write it down. What would it be like? How you imagine that? Won't you regret not doing and trying so many things? Regret of missing many opportunities, thinking it's too late? It doesn't seem late at all, right? Seems ridiculous you view your life like that. You are drawing a reality for yourself where it's too late, where you're not smart enough, not beautiful enough, not having the connections, not enough money, or whatever you think you need to succeed. You could try and try again and again, but you're not even trying once. You gave up on yourself. You had so much time ahead of you, but you gave up on your dreams. You know, it doesn't matter if your parents didn't believe in you, or your boyfriend or girlfriend's friends, schoolmates, or just random people. What matters the most is what you think of yourself and what you believe you're capable of. If you don't have confidence, well, meditate, turn on calming music, breathe in and out slowly, and think about your life, all the situations where you've dimmed your light that comes from within, all the situations where you don't let yourself try in those projects, ideas, or just trying to go to a new place and meet different people. And then think about the things that you really want in your life. Think about all the potential that you have. Visualize. We all are capable of so much, we can't even see it. You can also write down all those ideas and make a plan. You can do it. So many people go through the same things. And the ones who really want to change their lives for the better, they do it. They are not necessarily the smartest, the most beautiful people, the most talented ones. Look at other people who do only the things they love and passionate about. They are not going to the shitty jobs. They do not feel sad and frustrated. They are happy even when things don't go their way, because they are on their way to their goals and dreams, and they know the universe is gonna help them. It gives so much power and energy when you believe in it. You can do the same, get inspired and start. Make up a visualization board and write and script the things you would want to happen in your life. Write down a plan, divide all that into small steps. It helps, guys, it helps so much. Your brain needs to see the specific goals. When it sees pictures and when you add to that feelings, how you would feel, how happy you would be, then your subconscious mind will be looking for the ways to get you there. Unless you don't know and don't see it clearly, it's like a car moving without direction. You are most likely end up not where you want to be. We can do anything. The universe is for us and our happiness. We were born to be happy and to make others happy. Be different, don't put yourself in the box. Look at everything that is possible. Allow yourself all those things that you've been not allowing yourself. If others do that, you can do it too. Make those little steps every day and make sure you praise yourself. Hope this video will inspire someone to make some plans and more important actions. Share this video with someone who you think may need it. Thank you for watching, bye!